For April's Maker Monday, we created fun hydroponics planters using upcycled common materials. Learn how to make your own. The word hydroponics comes from the Greek for water and labor, which means that in hydroponics, water does all the work. Special nutrients are added to our water, and that water is then carried up through a fabric wick to our plant's roots. Inert growth medias like coconut coir, foam, or lightweight clays are used to hold the water and provide stability for our plants. For this project, you'll need a disposable water bottle or 2-liter soda bottle, just make sure you have the cap, an old cotton sock that's been washed, a pair of scissors, a screwdriver or an awl to poke a hole in that cap, and then of course your hydroponic nutrients and growth media. We use lettuce seeds, but you can try small flowers or other plants. Start by washing your bottle and then cutting off the top, about 2.5 inches from the cap. Use a screwdriver or your awl to put a hole as close to the center of the cap as you can. Cut a strip from your sock, no thinner than your pinky and no thicker than your thumb, and about the length of your bottle. Tie a knot in one end, leaving a tail, and then push the rest of the sock through the hole in your cap. It should hang down from your cap so that the majority is on the flat side. Twist the cap back onto the top of the bottle. This will hold your growth media and your seeds. Place a few clean stones or some gravel to the bottom of your bottle. Add your liquid nutrient mix. Then put the top of the bottle on so that the cotton wick is hanging down into the liquid. Fill the inverted top of your bottle with your growth media, leaving it lightly packed. Then sprinkle your seeds on top and press them in. Cover the bottom of your bottle with aluminum foil or paper. This will protect the nutrients in the liquid media. Lightly water your seeds to start the wicking action from below. Then cover with a bit of plastic wrap to create a greenhouse over your seeds. Place your planter in a sunny spot and wait for your seeds to start growing. Once your seeds are germinated, remove the plastic. The soil should stay moist but not drippy wet. Refill the reservoir as you need.